Hi, this is Sean from Agentplace, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to create and design printable material that can then be used to print, email, or in our virtual tour application as well. So when you first start in the system, when you're designing any piece of creative material, you want to go into the Marketing Center here, and you're going to select Create Printables from the drop-down menu. When you do so, it's going to open up this category tree over here. And here you'll see we've got it broken down into categories. Here you see the Agentplace collection, full color brochures. We've got black and white large postcards, full color postcards, holiday cards, lending services, scenic, double-sided, monthly newsletters, etc. There are literally thousands of templates in here to choose from, and I urge you to go in here, open up some of these different categories, and look at some of the different designs that may be applicable for your marketing efforts. You'll see here I've selected the Coastal Life category under the full color brochure, and literally just select a design. You see here there are different color schemes, different layouts. These all feature photos and text. All I have to do is go find the thumbnail for the design that I want. Alright, click on it, and when I do that, if you scroll down, you're going to now see the listings that you have stored in our system. So all you need to do now is put a check mark next to the listing that you would like to use for this particular template, and now the system automatically will build the template using the information you have stored in that listing and the information from your profile page. So you'll see here if I click the Continue button, what will happen now is the system will build that automatically for me using that information. You'll see it'll come up in the photo edit screen here, and as it does come up, I have the ability to choose from two different editing options. One would be an advanced version, which would allow me to edit graphically photos and text, and a basic version which would just allow me to edit text. I'm going to choose the advanced version, and you'll see now I'm in the photo design suite. One of the unique things about this program is it's a very friendly user interface, and so anytime you go in and make changes to any of these documents, the document doesn't redraw. It all happens right here in a drag and drop application. You'll see as I click on any of these text boxes, it's very easy for me to edit text. All I have to do is highlight the text, then type in whatever I want to type in. You see there I can type it in. I can scale it by moving the scale button around, or if I click on the move button here, you'll see it turns blue. I can now drag and drop that text anywhere I want on that page. I'll leave that header there. Okay, a couple things going on here. You'll see the photos from the property have automatically been imported into the design, and you'll see if I click on this photo, all the photos that I have for that particular listing will show up in this photo scroller here. Changing photos in the application is very simple. I merely need to highlight the photo I'd like to remove, go over here, click on the photo that I would like to have replace, and the photos will automatically replace and resize based on their position on that document. So you'll see here merely by clicking, and I can see the highlight buttons here, I can move between photos seamlessly. Alright, all the text elements here become completely editable. I can make changes to any of those. You'll see if I click on the headshot image, it'll also upload all of the headshots that I have here. So if I wanted to change a headshot, I merely click on that headshot, and now again I have the same features and functions. I can either highlight that photo, move it with my arrow key, scale it by dragging the scale button here, and then I can move text around with the arrow keys or by dragging and dropping. So although the system builds these documents automatically, you see here I have complete editorial control over everything on this document, photos and text. You'll also see here if I click on my logo and I go up here to the image category, I can drop down and either open up all the different logo images that I would have in the system, or from that same drop down menu I can also open up all the legal logos that you might want to incorporate on any type of marketing flyer. If it's not already on the flyer, all you have to do is click, drag, and drop it onto the flyer, as you can see here, and now I can place it wherever I want on the flyer. Once you're done with this particular document, all you need to do is click Save As. The system will ask you to give it a name. We'll call this Test 1. Click OK, and now it'll automatically be saved in the system, and from now on it'll show up in the Marketing Center under Manage and Order Printable.